The good news: you're an interesting, thoughtful, likable person, ready to make some new friends. And your new friends will be lucky to have you. The bad news: you sometimes have trouble getting new people to like you, in spite of all your great qualities. Yes, it's frustrating. We know. But no worries, and keep watching. Because in the next few minutes, we're going to give you some solid tips to make people like you immediately. Truth on Command presents 8 psychological tricks that make people like you immediately. Number 1. The subtle mirroring technique. It's called mirroring as it involves subtly mimicking the other person's behavior without making it obvious. When we mirror someone's body language, we make them unconsciously like us more. They won't know why, but their brain will form positive notions about us due to this mirroring technique, and eventually making them like you instantly. Number 2. Smiling. As they say, a smile is the greatest weapon to capture someone's heart. And if you want someone to like you instantly, you can put it to use quite generously. A smile makes you more approachable, appealing, and helps in establishing an instant connection. Number 3. Be confident about your flaws. We are not fond of those people who come across as perfect because we fail to relate to them. We envy them as they constantly remind us of things we lack. However, when someone confidently showcases their flaws and jokes about their shortcomings, we are automatically drawn towards them, as we perceive them to be more likable, interesting, and genuine. Number 4. Listen. Be slow to talk and quick to listen is a good rule to live by. One needs to be an active listener and not a passive one if they wish to be liked. Because whether we admit it or not, we all love to hear our voices and talk about ourselves. And we love a riveted audience. Number 5. Don't forget their name. To an extent, we are all narcissists who love the sound of our own name, as it makes us feel important. Addressing someone by their first name and using their name during conversations highlights that you care about them. Our name is an essential part of our identity, and significant research has shown hearing our names from others makes us feel validated. Number 6. Maintain eye contact. The eyes are definitely the window to the soul, and they do play an important part in making someone like us. Maintaining eye contact during a conversation is crucial. However, doing so throughout is perceived as aggressive and uncalled for. Therefore, you need to strike the perfect balance and draw the line while maintaining eye contact in a conversation. Number 7. Never flatter, but compliment. We are unconsciously driven towards people who make us feel better about ourselves. Flattery, though, might sometimes come off as fake, exaggerated, and paint you as the person who tries too hard to please. But giving meaningful and limited compliments makes one come across as genuine and sincere. It's a reliable way to make someone like you instantly. Number 8. Don't hide your sense of humor. Research has shown funny people are a lot more successful in life, and humor signifies sound psychological health. You can automatically make someone like you more by exhibiting your sense of humor while you're getting to know them. Never judge yourself by how many people like you, because not everyone will, and that's perfectly natural. But by using these 8 psychological tricks, you'll be able to attract and win over quality people who would be very proud to have you as their friend. Let us know what you think. Which of these 8 psychological tricks have you used to make people like you? Please let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification bell. And when you hit the subscribe button, let us know in the comments below so we can give you an appreciative shout out. Thank you for watching, and check out our other videos as well.